Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the backup folder. This is where Tlauncher stores saves, mods, and profiles. First, open Tlauncher and note the exact profile and version you use. This prevents restoring incompatible files. Then, open your File Explorer and go to %appdata %backslash Tlauncher /backup or your custom install path. Once there, make sure to identify timestamped folders and check available disk space. You will need room to copy or extract data without corrupting saves. Now inspect what you'll restore. Open the backup folder and compare subfolders labeled Worlds, Saves, Mods, Resource Packs. This tells you exactly which assets are included. Once identified, copy the specific backup folder to your desktop as a working copy. This prevents accidental changes to originals. If backups are compressed, extract them with 7-zip or WinRAR into the working copy. Make sure to preserve folder structure. Minecraft expects exact paths, so restores don't break world. Final steps: move the prepared files back into the target. Tlauncher /instances or Minecraft folder, replacing only the items you intend to restore. Once done, launch Tlauncher with the same game version and profile, then load the world or mod setup in single player to verify integrity. If Minecraft crashes or worlds show errors, shut down, restore a different timestamped backup from your working copy, and check the game logs for missing libraries or mod version mismatches. This is the key troubleshooting tip you'll need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.